Alright, hi my little pumpkins. I just thought I would record my screen because I figure either you guys can decide to help design a little at the end here yourself, or you can just see what I have and then tell me, maybe make some notes. Okay, so this is the front page. I can always resize some of the wording and whatnot. Then we have the welcome with all three of us. I will make a couple adjustments, but more or less this is how it will look. Then we come down to About Spectrum Inspired, and then we say what is autism. I do a little definition, and then I say, but more than that, this is autism. And then I show some pictures. This is autism. This is autism. This is autism. This is autism. And then we do the prep for the photographer, prep for the families. This is, I was just gonna kind of leave this as is. I know it's super plain, but I figured here and there a little plain wouldn't kill us. Then we go on to, here are just a few components to consider when prepping your assigned families. I actually do have to make a couple adjustments here because I need to make sure that everything is numbered, so I don't. There we go. Another thing to consider, blah, blah, blah. So I just have to make sure there's a couple formatting issues, but that is more or less there. And then we talk about some other options for documentary outdoor sessions here. And then we come down to posing. I put in parentheses because of the fact that we actually are not posing. We're just giving some tips for natural posing. Then we come down here and we give some tips on engaging with children genuinely. Here we go. I just did from page to page. For each picture, I plan on writing in a small corner, maybe like here or something. Photo by Rebecca, blah, 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 kind of thing. Then this is continuing on with engaging genuinely. Still, right here in this empty spot is where that picture of Clara is going to go, where she almost looks like she's praying. Jamie, so I just need that. It was in the guide, but I did not have the high res in the Dropbox, so it wasn't letting me put it in. So I thought we'd do that there. This page was just gonna stay kind of boring and plain. This one as well. I don't know, kind of out of ideas. And then this is the part that I really need your help. This is tips on getting creative, or this is where I was going to talk about composition and using some of Jamie's pictures as examples with leading lines and framing and blah, 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 blah. I didn't know if I should just say, here are some examples of creative documentary shots. Instead of even giving tips, I was maybe just going to make a collage of images. I thought that would be the easy way out, and then we wouldn't have to write sentence by sentence by sentence, but people could still look at some creative shots. Daddy's at work, love. I just placed that there. I was going to start just collaging things. But again, we could just put them here and then have like a one line with an arrow pointing up, like, this is an example of using lines, blah, 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 blah. I don't even know. And then we have gear. And then we have the final process. And then we have be inspired, and that is our final page. So let me know if anything specifically stands out. I'm more or less done here. I just need to figure out, I have to insert Clara's picture, and then I have to decide what we want to do on the composition, if we want to actually give tips or if we just want to do that. And then of course Enid's, I don't know where to put it. I just don't know. I feel like it's random to just place, oh, and here are Enid's thoughts. Like, that just feels weird. But I don't know. I guess that's what we have to do. I don't know. Okay, so let me know. Thanks.